quickly begin. We all know what is basically a Grignard reagent. Still, I will revise it once again quickly. Grignard reagent generally has a structure R, Mg, and X. Here, R indicates either alkyl group or it can be even aryl group, that means benzene ring also. Mg is of course magnesium and X stands for halogen. So the general name becomes alkyl magnesium halide. If it is aromatic, we will call it as aryl magnesium halide.
Sir,
Yeah,
the recording, I think you have not started.
I am doing a screen recording, don't worry. It's not Zoom recording.
Okay.
Now this Grignard reagent, the special thing about it is when you consider carbon and metal bond here, magnesium has a positive charge on it, halogen has a negative charge on it. So because of this, carbon has always small negative charge, magnesium has small positive charge. Reason being here that magnesium is less electronegative and carbon is more electronegative. Usually in most of the cases, what we see is carbon getting a positive charge in many of the cases, many of the functional groups. Grignard reagent is the one reagent which you are going to study where carbon gets a negative charge. That is why whenever there is a reaction taking place, carbon can show what is known as carb anion behavior. By carb anion behavior, we mean that it's going to have a negative charge present on it. So, whenever you write the reactions of it, always remember that carbon is going to possess negative charge in Grignard reagent reactions. This is our first point of basic introduction of Grignard reagent. I hope this whole thing is clear, no doubt about this. Very simple basic introduction. Let us take up now the reactions of Grignard reagent and the
Sir,
first
this was only true when it is connected to a halogen, no?
we are only
When
talking
carbon.
about Grignard reagent particularly. Carbon with negative charge is only in case of Grignard reagent, not anywhere else.
Okay.
Okay, second point about this is with respect to reactivity and other things. Reactivity of Grignard reagents. There are two things we must know. In case you keep halogen group, the alkyl group same, then iodide, bromide, and chloride. This is the reactivity to form Grignard reagent. That means alkyl iodide will form quickly Grignard reagent rather than alkyl bromide, rather than alkyl chloride. Number three is with respect to aryl groups, reactivity with respect to aryl groups. In this one, it is found ArBr and Ar iodide have almost similar reactivity and both are better reactive than chloride. This is with respect to aryl halides to form Grignard reagent. And if you are taking once again alkyl group, then methyl halide is much more reactive than ethyl halide, more reactive than propyl, and so on. So simply, as carbon chain increases, reactivity to produce Grignard reagent decreases. As carbon chain increases, reactivity to produce Grignard reagent decreases. So this is about activity to form Grignard reagent. Now if you see reactivity of Grignard reagent themselves for reaction, then it is found that RMgX, if you see, X is iodine, more reactive than bromide, chloride, and fluoride. Usually, fluorides do not form Grignard reagent easily. We will not consider them only. This is with respect to halogen. With respect to R, it is CH3 more than C2H5 more than C3H7 and so on. So if you want to compare, suppose Grignard reagent's reactivity, and if two substances are given to you, CH3MgCl and CH3MgI. So out of two, which will be more reactive one? The one with iodide. Yes, correct. So with iodide, it will be more reactive. If I compare another example, like CH3, CH2, MgI and CH3, CH2, CH2, MgCl. Now, can you think out of these two, who will be more reactive? Yes, there are two reasons. One, there is iodine. Second reason, the chain of carbon atom is smaller. Correct? So, this is all with respect to reactivity. You get MCQs with these kind of questions, reactivity orders. Those who want to take screenshot, you can take it.
सर इन द लास्ट एग्जांपल इफ
हाँ,
जिसमें आई है उसमें कार्बन चेन बड़ा होगा तो फर्स्ट वी कंसीडर आई
yes.
हैलोजन और द कार्बन
No,
चेन्स.
first, now that depends on an example, but usually first halogen is to be considered and then carbon atom, because reactivity is decided first by halogen, then by alkyl group.
So, sir,
Yeah.
if the right hand side of example B was
Ah,
CH3MgCl, so which will be greater than I only one?
iodine, yeah,
So
always.
reactivity.
Halogen is to be taken first, considered, and alkyl group to be done second. Give preference to halogen while considering the reactivity. Now let us begin with reactions of.
Sir, can you go back 1 minute?
I'm giving a recording of this. Don't worry. I'm recording. I'll be
I want
putting
to
this
write
on.
it first.
अरे रुक अभी जाने दो आगे चला गया. Let us see if somebody is taking a screenshot, please put it on the group later on. Now first reaction we are taking is Grignard reagent with aldehydes and ketones, and these two are going to produce alcohol on reactions. The product of this is going to be alcohol. So among this, let us take reactions. First one is formaldehyde, HCHO methanol, treating with any Grignard reagent. Now when the reaction occurs, Grignard reagent reactions always take place with respect to solvent dry ether. Now understand the charges on the molecules. R has always in Grignard has a negative charge. Magnesium has a positive charge. In carbonyl, oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So oxygen will be negatively charged, carbon is positive. Now simply join plus and minus. So this minus goes to carbon, and this magnesium,
चार्जेस अगेन.
check, carbon and oxygen, carbon is more electronegative, sorry, oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So oxygen will always get a negative charge. The one which is more electronegative is going to get a negative charge. So oxygen is negative, carbon is positive. Here we already said in the very first screen that carbon always gets a negative charge in Grignard reagent. Now simply join carbon with carbon here. So what product do we get? H, C, H, R here, and OMgX. This is called magnesium complex. This is now treated with further water in presence of acid catalyst. Process is very simple. Just convert this upper group into OH. So MgX and OH will produce MgXOH, and one hydrogen goes over here to this oxygen. If you watch carefully, what we are getting here is called a primary alcohol, or CH2OH, or CH2OH is a primary alcohol. Let us take an example of it, and then we will talk about a shortcut of this. So in exam, if you want to do it in a shortcut way in MCQs, there is a shortcut available. But in board exams, we need to write the whole thing as it is. So let us take one example and then one shortcut. This is methanol. This is CH3MgI. Dry ether on the first arrow. So I hope now you have understood or you have remembered it. Carbon always goes to attaches to carbon. Carbon attaches to carbon. MgI attaches to oxygen. Remember this. आप लोग अगर चार्ज भूल गए तो भी चलेगा, but this attachment you remember, that's very easy. So this is HCH. Upper bond is OMgI and lower it is CH3. Treated with water in presence of H plus. So this is going to give us CH3. Now this is, I am writing together, CH2, and what is this above going to become? OH plus MgI OH. What we have obtained here is actually ethanol. Grignard reagent gives you a synthesis of making almost virtually every product in organic chemistry. Any substance you want, Grignard is a magical thing which can create it. I repeat the process once again. Those who have a doubt can check it. First step is, whenever you take this aldehyde or ketone, attach Grignard's alkyl group to carbon atom. Point number 1. Attach MgI to oxygen. Last, make OMgI as OH. That's all. Let us understand a quick shortcut for examination. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, you said before like Mg has delta plus, मतलब कि like very less
Yeah.
positive
Yes.
charge.
Correct. Correct.
And X has negative charge, na? मतलब not
But
delta negative.
but that is not separately adding anywhere. So I'm not writing any charge. We are writing charges with respect to only carbon and magnesium.
No sir, but won't that negative repel with the oxygen ka negative charge?
No, that is outside. Magnesium is forming a bond. Na? So how halogen comes? Halogen is not forming a bond with oxygen.
Oh.
Correct. It's outside group. So that's fine. Okay. Check the shortcut for this reaction. Watch. If you have HCHO and reacting with RMgX. First step we did dry ether, and second step we did water with H plus. Has anybody understood a shortcut of doing this reaction to write product directly? Can anyone tell me?
So you just add both the sides and then just
No,
write the product
final
in the
product. Final product is send R here and make O as OH. This is called the shortcut. Have you understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is the quick thing. एग्जाम में अगर करना है तो आपको ऐसे फास्ट करना पड़ेगा. You take the compound, connect R here, make double bond O as OH. See, that's what I did here. And this is what I showed. This is called shortcut. That means you are not writing the full reaction mechanism. You are only writing it with quick way. Right? Those who want can take a screenshot.
In shortcut, all the remaining compound will be byproduct.
Yes, correct. Correct. See, MCQs when we will solve, we will not write byproducts and all. So हम लोग खाली main product लिखते हैं वहाँ पे. So there we don't need all these things. Yeah, take a screenshot. Those who want quick, I will go for second reaction. Done?
Yes, sir.
If you have followed this, I hope you will understand this second reaction also. This is some other aldehyde but not formaldehyde. And I am treating this with a Grignard reagent. First reaction happens in solvent dry ether. So what should be my first product? No shortcut, I am writing proper reaction. This is OMGX attached here and here R dash. Next we treat with water in presence of H plus acid catalyst. So this is going to give us H here, R dash here, OH here, MgXOH as byproduct. I have done nothing different. I've just done instead of H here R, rest everything is same. One shortcut for this or one example and then shortcut. Suppose I take CH3CH2 CHO as a starting compound. Treat it with CH3MgI. Dry ether first step. So my first intermediate will be CH3CH2 CH. Now this Grignard's group will attach here
CH3
and this will become OMgI.
Mg.
Next reaction with acid water and that will produce CH3 CH2 CH CH3 above here OH. I hope this is clear to everyone. Very easy shortcut. अभी आप लोग shortcut शायद मुझे आप बता सकते हैं if you see this. If I take R CHO and treat it with some Grignard. First step dry ether. Second step acidulated water. So what is the final product we should get? R CH R dash
and on top
OH. And if you observe, this is a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Those who want to take a screenshot quickly. We have taken one formaldehyde, one other aldehyde. Let us now consider a ketone. RCOR dash. Both these groups could be same, they could be different. And even the group with aldehyde, Grignard could be still different than that. So when you treat this with dry ether, mechanism is absolutely identical. We will get R, C, R dash, O, M, G, X. And here Grignard's group will come R double dash. Water with H plus and that will give us final product R, C, R dash, here OH and here R double dash plus Mg X OH. Can I directly write a shortcut for this instead of example? I hope everyone has followed it. R C O R dash plus some other group dry ether first arrow. When you want to write directly shortcuts, they write these multiple arrows like this. Usually in NEET and JEE, you get reactions of 2 steps clubbed together. Not like in JEE advanced and all, you have like 7 or 8 steps like this together. So final will be R dash OH and if you observe, this is a tertiary alcohol. Those who want to take a screenshot of this can take it. Is it all right? Everyone followed it quickly, perfectly clear. Very simple topic, very simple topic. चलो एक बार समराइज करते हैं इसको, हम लोग ने क्या क्या रिएक्शन देखा. We took RMGX and we did 3 reactions over here. In one chart I'm giving this. First we did reaction with HCHO, formaldehyde. Then we got RCH2OH. See, this R is here, CH2 is this one, and this double bond O has become OH. We got primary alcohol. Then when we did the reaction with some other aldehyde group, RCOH, not hydrogen, some other, R dash CH OH, and this is Grignard's R. We got a secondary alcohol. And when we did a reaction with ketone, RCOR, let us say this is written this way. So we got R here, OH here, and these were the ones. To give you a marking of the groups, this is Grignard's R, which is coming over here. And the other R's, what we have written, they are coming from the aldehyde or ketone. One of the best reactions in organic chemistry with almost no limitation. The groups could be aromatic, aliphatic, reaction works perfectly for everything. When in next week we will start with the topic of alcohols. This will be again coming as method of preparation, which we have already done. We will not repeat it once again. You can take a screenshot of summary of first Grignard reaction. Now, as per your HSC syllabus, Maharashtra Board this year syllabus, Grignard's only this reaction is kept in the course. That means what I did right now. After this, whatever 6 reactions I will be doing, 6 reactions, they are not in HSC syllabus. They are only in JEE and NEET syllabus. So here what I will do is, I will not go for mechanisms because we don't need them. We will directly do the reaction with shortcuts only. And even HSC students can learn this because they are not at all difficult reactions. Let us begin. The first reaction set, rather number 2 now, is Grignard reagent with esters. Now esters we come across are of 2 types. One is called formate esters. That means obtained from formic acid. तो फॉर्मेट एस्टर का फॉर्मूला कैसे होता है? HCOOR. This is formate ester. We are going to treat this with some Grignard reagent RMGX. So since we are writing in shortcut, we will write the product directly. Now understand the trick of the reaction. The trick is this way. From the ester part, pick up HC double bond O, attach it with Grignard ka R group. I have underlined it. Remember it directly. HC double bond O from ester, R from Grignard. If you observe, we have created an aldehyde. Now you can react this second time if given in exam. So second mole of Grignard reagent. अगर एग्जाम में दिया है तो ही करना है, अदरवाइज रिएक्शन स्टॉप्स हियर. नाउ इफ यू सी, ये जो हम लोग ने अभी रिएक्शन किया था वही रिपीट है. HCr, R here, and this becomes OH. Secondary alcohol. Is this understood? First one.
is the name of the first wala compound.
Yes. What is format? Let me explain it for a moment here. HCOOH. This is called formic acid.
Formic acid.
Now from here, this H if I remove and replace it with an alkyl group. So I will get HCOOR dash. This is called formate ester. Is this understood everyone? जिनको डाउट था फॉर्मेट के बारे में?
Yes.
अभी फॉर्मेट छोड़ के बाकी दूसरा कोई भी रहेगा तो वी जस्ट कॉल इट एस्टर, एनी जनरल एस्टर. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल RCOOR dash. That means this H is not there. Now this is R. Maybe this R and this R might be same or different. जैसे CH3 group, C2H5 कुछ भी हो सकता है. And treated it with Grignard reagent. Can anyone tell me the first product using the upper same trick? इसमें से
RC double bond
O
RC
and
double
this R dash.
OR के बदले R डबल
बस वही ट्रिक जो ऊपर यूज किया था. देखो ये वाला क्या मिला, देखो इसमें कीटोन. Now if required we can react it with another Grignard reagent. अभी ऐसा कंपल्शन नहीं है कि आप वही ग्रिग्नार्ड यूज करो, आप दूसरा ग्रिग्नार्ड भी यूज कर सकते हो. अगर ये CH3 था, ये मैं C2H5 भी यूज कर सकता हूँ. वी हैव अ फुल लिबर्टी. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएक्शन, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. हियर विद अनदर R डैश. अभी आप देख सकते हैं हम लोग को टर्शरी अल्कोहल मिला है.
So sir,
Yes.
the first Grignard reagent can be normal,
हाँ.
like CH3. The
हाँ.
other one can be like a cyclo.
Yes, absolutely. You have a full liberty. That's what I said. कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो, आपको जो चाहे. Everything will react.
So formate ka R dash is not used
Yeah,
in
that
the
is
major product.
no, that is going as byproduct. That comes out as R dash O connect with MgX and goes as inorganic byproduct. So that we are not writing. Chalo, those who want can take a screenshot of this. In our notes, all these things are there on page number 68 onwards. I am currently on page 69. Let us take examples of this. ये मैंने
So
आपको
we can
general.
do this with alcohol also.
How you can do it with alcohol? Which alcohol will work here? This is with ester.
Sir, so when this occurs, we have to convert it first to aldehyde or ketone.
We
Like
don't
ester.
convert that. That itself get converted only. So we have to do it stepwise, two stepwise you can say. Let us take one example of this. Suppose I take HCOOCH3 and treated with CH3MgBr. So in the question they will say CH3MgBr is taken in excess. That means आपको समझ जाना है कि ये रिएक्शन आपको दो बार करना है. So first product में क्या मिलेगा? I will just repeat it what we did. This portion and this portion. So you should get now HCO from ester, CH3 from Grignard. ये आपका पहला प्रोडक्ट. इसी को फिर से एक बार ट्रीट करो. HCCH3. अभी ये दूसरा वाला CH3 यहाँ आएगा. This will become OH. So if you see the names of compound, this is ethanol. And if you can observe, this is 1, 2, 3. This is propan-to-ol.
Sir,
Yeah.
don't we have to react it with like water with acid?
That is all understood when I do this thing. Whenever you are doing this reaction, ये actually ऐसे होता है. ये first, फिर इसमें H2O with water. Okay.
So sir, in the first step, what does H2O do? Like what does it connect with?
See, always whenever you treat Grignard reagent, आपको first क्या मिलेगा? वो magnesium complex मिलेगा. Remember?
Sir.
And that magnesium complex is broken down into product by the second step.
Okay.
So everywhere whenever you see Grignard का reactions, ये दो step हमेशा होते हैं. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
चलो एक रिएक्शन करके देखते हैं अलग से और एक with suppose CH3 COO C2H5, and here we are taking, let us say, some aromatic Grignard reagent. Aromatic का reactivity थोड़ा कम होता है, but for just for writing purpose it's fine. Practically they avoid usually aromatic Grignard. Due to bulky nature of benzene ring, reactivity is little poor, not as good as methyl group and all. चलो तो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा देखो, CH3 C बेंजीन रिंग,
Engineering
C डबल बॉन्ड O, एंड लास्ट में आएगा CH3 C C6H5 और एक C6H5
6H5.
and OH.
NOH.
I am repeating here again, ये C6H5 लेना कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है, आप कोई दूसरा ग्रिग्नार्ड भी यूज कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इधर ही दिखा देता हूँ. चलो ये आ गया, और इसके बाद मुझे दूसरा रिएक्शन करना है. आई कैन डू दैट वेरी वेल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई चूज टू रिएक्ट CH3MgI with this and not the same Grignard, no problem at all. Very very flexible, adjusting, very nice, good natured compound Grignard reagent. बस आपको दूसरा कंपाउंड मिलेगा, आपको जो चाहे आर यूज करो, प्रोडक्ट मिलता रहेगा, नो इशू इन दैट एट ऑल. Is this so
What's
far
the
clear?
impact name of
Which one?
the first reaction one?
This one? This one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is now benzene ring C, benzene ring here. So what should be the compound here? This is benzene ring OH, sorry, COH, and a benzene ring and a CH3. So this is now 1 2, that is ethanol, and there are two benzene rings, so that's called diphenyl. In aromatic compounds, whenever you have benzene ring attached to a carbon atom chain, benzene ring is taken as a substituent prefix, not as important compound, because there is a functional group connected. So this is the name.
Like 2,2.
No, 1,1 in fact. 1, ये OH वाला कार्बन 1 है ना, got it?
But when we,
One
when
one.
we count from CH3 up.
No, OH वाला कार्बन is first, this is second.
Okay, then.
OH
Yes,
वाला, यहाँ पे देखो, ये जस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस, ये क्या आएगा देखो, ये OH वाला कार्बन है, लेकिन ये चेन देखो आपकी 3 कार्बन की है. So this is
Okay.
2-phenyl propan 2-ol.
Yes, sir.
This is all right, understood everyone?